A team build day with the sound effects!
Hey, Paul! This is your amiibos! Look what Steven found! He found your swinging leg!
Amiibos! You're right! Here comes the swinging leg. And now here's the pitch! Oh man, I got stretched. Paul, what was that? The team built sound effects. Oh my god, now you Paul got the sound effects on it. Yes!
Oh, this is you, Paul. No.
What the? That was me? My bonds. Oh! We got more food for Team Built! Oh, yay! Paul! What? I think we need to get another lesson. Oh. Join Team Built today! That's it! That was the lesson! Well, all ends well and ends well.
Join Team Built today at Wednesday.
Everybody join Team Built today. Wednesday. Look out! What the? Paul, am I hearing snakes? Donkeys? Roosters? And, look out! Yeah! Oh my goodness, Paul, with those sound effects. Well, yeah, but I'm a team build leader. Nice try, Paul.
E-aw, 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 e-aw.
Paul! There can't be one amiibo character visiting the amiibo world just yet. Why did you ring the doorbell? I'm a team build leader. Sorry, Paul. Nice try, sir. Oh my... Paul! I told ya, I'm a team build leader.
Ba, 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 ba.
Hey, Bill, try to bounce on a bouncy ball. No, I don't think a bouncy ball can do anything strange. Paul, what it with the bouncy thingy? Pretty sure.
Whatever.
Paul, did you say that?
Look out!
I 10-4. Paul, what has this chain become? Wait a minute. How did I even seen this before?
Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's it. Hey. What up with that cookie sound?
Excuse me.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Excuse you! Double nugget.
Paul, you're a chicken burger. No. And? Excuse me again.
Of course, getting a cheeseburger. No, and excuse you. Cheeseburger. Nice try, Paul. You better get the cheeseburger gift.
Paul, go in the GTA and steal that bus.
Of course I am going to GTA and steal a bus. Well, yeah. Kicks are liars. Dino M. And Paul, you date Dora. Entanglement! I do not date Dora!
Welcome to another typical burger restaurant. May I take your order? Will you like fries with that? Roll up to the second window, please.
Bill, is that your new receiver? Let's call it.
Come on, Paul, that receiver would have been really lasted. Well, yeah, but the first rings a bell. Yeah, I'm pretty sure what that is.
Paul, go date a snake.
Yeah.
Go date a snake? What is that?
Dude,
Yeah. Oh, this is a go.
What's gone into you, Paul Crouch?
Yes. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure why Paul Cooks keep using me in sound effects. Well, yeah, cause I'm a team leader.
And I am Cheeseburger. Okay. You see that, Paul? You are the team leader of the sound effects. Yeah, I know. Humans, go fig. Paul, go kiss Dora. Entanglement! I do not date Dora. Paul, have a baby with Dora. And I say, entanglement! I do not date Dora. Tangle Billiam! Team Build Frenzy and those sound effects.
Oh yeah, I know. How did you get them? I learned about team belts. Sounds like we'll have to learn our new lesson. Blah, 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 blah. What?
Paul, go in the bath with Dora. And now going in the bath with Dora? entanglement. I do not date Dora. Ayúdenme. Onegai Tasquete. GTA 64.
Again. Pucker goes. Congratulations, Paul! Congrats! You, Paul, might be the ruler of the sound effects of Team Bill. Throughout this whole day, you've, Paul, been going over sound effects. How'd you get them to join Team Build? Advertising. Oh my god, Paul.
You see that? You've Paul did it to us. You've Paul actually did it to us. Dance? Dance.
Paul, I just farted and I stinks.
What it is a song you never do. Join Team Baltene! Oh, we got the camera snap sound effect. Even though you noise, on. Again. What are you doing?